Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, power lift gate, navigation system, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.